Okay. I just wanted to see how long, I wonder, could I have been silent at the beginning of the video before a lot of people thought like something was wrong with their volume or thought the video was messed up. Oh, alright. 7 seconds. If you lasted 7 seconds, then I was gonna say congratulations. I can't even freaking talk again. But congratulations, because in this video, it's probably gonna be a real short one because I'm gonna show you guys how to use formulas in tables in a really cool way. You guys are probably gonna fall in love with it. You're gonna want to make out with your computer, but I wouldn't recommend it. So, in this example, open up Bucky's store. So, of course, here is my store and all the sweet items that I'm selling. Documentary about pudding. I would highly recommend checking that out. Alright, so anyways, go ahead and click it and convert it to a table by going to this Insert tab, clicking Table, and alright. Actually, I just want to turn this part into a table. I'll leave that header right there. So hit OK, and boom, check it out. We now have a table. So of course the columns are, this column is for the items I'm selling, this is how many I have in my inventory, and this is the price of each item. So say that we wanted to add a new column, so to the right in D2, just go ahead and click on that cell even though it's outside of the table and write something like total value and hit enter. And what Excel does is it automatically detects that, okay, you're trying to add a new column to this table, so we don't have to go ahead and convert it back to a normal data set and then convert it back to a table again. Excel got our back. So after this, what I want you to do is go to the first cell, the first empty row, which is in D3, and we're going to make a formula for total value. So of course the total value of bread gloves is equal to the amount I have in inventory multiplied by the price of each individual bread gloves. So of course the formula for that is pretty easy, equal sign. So after you hit this equal sign, check this out. Click your left arrow and the active cell moves one to the left. Now, as you can see, it doesn't reference the cell itself. So before, when we were just working, referencing cells like I taught you guys in the last tutorial, it would show something like C3. But look what's happening in this formula bar. It says at price. Alright, that's interesting. So let's go ahead and finish this formula. Multiply that, and then on your keyboard again, hit left 2 times, and that's going to move your active cell over to B3. But again, it's not referencing B3, it's referencing quantity and stock. So now hit enter and check it out. Holy schmoly, look at that. Instead of taking our fill handle and having to fill in everything, whenever you use formulas and tables, this is what's happening. Excel automatically detects that, okay, it's not about the cell. This table actually means something. It's a set of data. So what you're doing, whatever formula this is you're taking this column and multiplying it by this column to get this value. So you know what, since this is a table and that's what you're trying to accomplish, I'm just going to go ahead and fill everything in for you. I won't even, make you exert the energy to click and drag with the fill handle. So pretty stinking sweet. Now another cool thing about this is typically this is a small, little store right now. No one has a store that they only sell like 10 items except me. So you're going to have a spreadsheet with a huge size, a huge number of rows. So anytime you want to change your formula up a little bit, so for example, for some reason, let's say you wanted to add a quantity plus the price. Why you would ever want to do that, I don't know, but if you just add it right there, change your formula once, look what happens. Without having to drag, without having to go through and say, okay, is this correct? Is this correct? It dynamically changes your entire column to work exactly how you want it. So pretty stinking sweet, and that's what these little symbols mean rather than just hard-coded addresses to cells. So that's a real quick tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and well, I'm actually going to go eat some ice cream because I'm kind of craving some, but I'll see you guys in the next video.